Silver threads fall from the sky, painting rivers where the pavements lie. A little bird, its feathers wet, spreads its wings, a tiny shield, no fear, no regret. And I see the raindrops waltzing down, tapping rhythms on the thirsty ground. Leaves stretch wide like open hands, drinking deep, they sway, they dance. So let it rain, let it sing, feel the earth breathe everything. Every drop a melody, a song of life, wild and free. Footsteps echo, rushing past, faces hiding, moving fast. But in the storm, the world slows down, secrets whispered all around. And I see the puddles ripple bright, like tiny mirrors catching light. Thunder hums, the wind replies, a symphony in stormy skies. So let it rain, let it sing, feel the earth breathe everything. Every drop a melody, a song of life, wild and free. Raindrops fall like soft embrace, washing every yesterday. Feel the rhythm, close your eyes, let the rain dance deep inside. The world's alive, the air so new,